Hi, everyone. I'm Christopher Thornycroft with Redwood Logistics, and welcome to the Redwood Rundown for the week of March 11th, 2024. So if we look at the market signals that we're getting, we've got the OTVI, which is kind of middling, kind of slowing. We've got the OTRI, which continues to drop. We've got all sorts of signals out there that are telling us that the market is slowing down. But you know what? We believe in seasonality. We've said that this is a little bit of your return to the normal seasonality that we would traditionally see. And what we believe is that we're starting to see just the littlest, tiniest bit of a capacity pinch. It's not showing up in the data yet. Keep in mind, OTRI, that's on the 7-day trailing average. But what we are feeling out there is in pockets. Houston continues to heat up. It's seasonal. We'd anticipate that. It's affecting other markets. That Mid-South market, tighter than usual, tighter than it's been considerably. This is not showing up yet in the spot market. The spot market continues to be pretty dry out there. But we think that if this were to continue going through to the end of the quarter, we would see a little bit of that return to seasonality. Now, that's not great news for brokers, definitely not, because what usually happens for the end of the first quarter is that shippers push more volume just as capacity is contracting, and therefore broker margins contract. The one thing that we do look at for this year that's a little different is, again, we talked about last time, Good Friday at the end of the quarter. So that end of quarter push that would usually happen and really contract those margins, maybe a little bit different. We'll see what happens. But the way we see this market right now is it is starting to just change a little bit. There's been enough fundamental change underneath the surface. By underneath the surface, we mean capacity exits. We need increased volume, increased demand. There's been enough of that change that's been taking place that we could see a little bit of a shift out there down the stretch for this end of Q1. That's all we've got for this week. Take care. Hang in there. Talk to you soon.